choice today with the 2019 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trailer brake controller, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, power equipment group, four-wheel disc brakes, engine block heater, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.